Welcome to BubuTutu, where learning is fun.
Come on, kids! Let's learn animal sounds.
What does the dog say? The dog says, bow, bow. What does the cat say? The cat says, meow, meow. What does the cow say? The cow says, moo, moo. What does the duck say? The duck says, quack, quack. What does the sheep say? The sheep says, ba, ba. What does the horse say? The horse says, neigh, neigh. What does the lion say? The lion says, roar, roar. What does the elephant say? The elephant says, poo, poo. What does the pig say? The pig says, oink, oink. What does the hen say? The hen says, cluck, cluck. What does the frog say? The frog says, ribbit, ribbit. What does the monkey say? The monkey says, ooh, ooh, ah, ah. What does the donkey say? The donkey says, hee-haw, hee-haw. What does the tiger say? The tiger says, grrr. What does the snake say? The snake says, hiss, hiss. What does the goat say? The goat says, ma, ma. What does the rooster say? The rooster says, cock-a-doodle-doo. What does the bear say? The bear says, growl, growl. What does the owl say? The owl says, hoot, hoot. Ooh, hoot, hoot. What does the bee say? The bee said, buzz, buzz. What does the crow say? The crow says, caw, caw. What does the wolf say? The wolf says, ow. What does the rabbit say? The rabbit says, sniff, sniff, sniff. What does the parrot say? The parrot says, squawk, squawk, squawk. Thanks for watching BubuTutu. Watch more fun videos